Hi everyone, I would like to present you my book of poems. One of the things I love most about writing poetry is the freedom it offers. Unlike other forms of writing that may be more structured or constrained, poetry allows for an almost limitless range of expressions. Whether I am experimenting with different forms, exploring different themes or subjects, or simply playing with language and sound, there is always room to explore and experiment when writing poems. Another aspect of poetry that I find inspiring is its ability to connect people. Poetry can be a powerful way to share our experiences and perspectives with others, to find common ground and understanding, and to build bridges between individuals and communities. I always feel a sense of connection and community when engaging with poetry. Of course, like any creative pursuit, writing poetry can also be challenging at times. There are days when the words don't come easily, or when I struggle to find the right form or structure for a particular poem. But even on those days, I find that the act of writing and the process of working through those challenges is its own reward. Ultimately, my love of writing poems comes down to the sheer joy and fulfillment it brings me. Whether I am writing lines in a notebook or typing away on my computer, there is a sense of magic and wonder that comes with the act of creation. And for that reason, I know that I will continue to write poems for as long as I am able, always striving to capture and convey the beauty and complexity of the world around me in words. In this book, I present you my poems about nature, the elements, human emotions, my feelings and struggles and thoughts, disappointments, in form of metaphor and message of hope, and having faith that all will be all right. Get your copy today.